And also, just going back to, we mentioned earlier about the fake Sister Lucia. She actually has done interviews, the one that just recently died, in which she over and over again stated that the consecration has been done by John Paul II, that the third secret was never intended to be revealed. In fact, I actually happened to meet someone who was involved in interviewing this fake Sister Lucia in 1992. He told me that there are very serious problems with her not being able to answer certain basic questions. In fact, in the interview that was done, 2 hours with Sister Lucia, and as I said, I met one of the people that was involved with that interview. The question was asked to this fake Sister Lucia, was the third secret intended to be revealed? Didn't Our Lady say that the third secret is to be revealed and released in 1960 at the latest? And this fake Sister Lucia said, Our Lady never said that. It was intended only for the Pope. Okay? This flies in the face of what the true Sister Lucia said 1958 and prior. Okay? It's a total and utter contradiction. She's saying that no, the fake one's saying no, the third secret was never intended to be revealed. The real one is saying it's to be released in 1960 because it will become clear then. And then, as can be seen on the website, you can see the photographic evidence of how this so-called Sister Lucia is a fraud. And in fact, actually, when she recently appeared in Fatima, she was like 96 years old or so. You look at the fluidity of movement, how quickly she's walking, the way she looks. People even commented on how young she looked for someone that was about almost 100 years old. All these contradictions. And so the reason why this fake Sister Lucia wasn't able to come out and more publicly talk to a lot of people about this issue is because they're really concerned with people discovering that this is actually a fraud, that they actually have someone playing the part. And someone would say, well, I just don't believe that's possible. Well, it is not only possible, but it has happened. We have the proof because the devil is behind it. The devil wants to tell people, look at Sister Lucia. She goes to the new Mass. She believes John Paul II is the Pope. Therefore, you should believe he's Pope. You should follow these teachings because she was promised heaven. And so, therefore, you might as well take the safer course and follow what she's doing. And so that's why a lot of people have just simply, gone to the new Mass because they say, well, it looks like Sister Lucia goes to the new Mass and follows the reforms of the Second Vatican Council. But they haven't realized probably yet, now they have the chance to discover that this was actually a fraud. And we have the evidence, the pictures of her teeth and the other things that have come out that prove that this fake Sister Lucia is a fraud.